Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. Good morning. Timbo, Son of Wall Street, Neo, Tucson Kid. Good morning. We are here just trying to get everything set up. Pretty big opening range so far this morning. Who we kidding? Very big. Oh, let's see here. Once that sets, 90 points. Insanity. I am currently long on ES, by the way, off Mancini's information. 2 minis on an eval. Looking for the 600 level, followed by 605. So we'll keep an eye on that, see if it hits. We got the reclaim of 92. Morning, Tris. Yeah, just 90 points. That's it. Just 90 points. That's it. So we'll see if this can't squeeze up here. On the ES. We will keep an eye on it. Once the range is set here, which it is now, let me go ahead and take a look. I got to figure out, we got any news today at all? Let me see. Global manufacturing PMI. That is at 9:45. Yep, 10 a.m. news as well. Doesn't look like 10 a.m. news is very big, but you got 9:45 and 10. Obviously, we've made a pretty big move overnight. Good morning, happy kids. It's hard for you to predict the market direction these days. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. 592 as support was too dangerous for you to go for. Rather wait for some momentum. Yeah. Mad Boxy, good morning. It is an aggressive entry. It is an aggressive. Very aggressive. All right, let me get this figured out. Let me get this figured out over here on what I'm doing. Calculator. What What do we got? A 90-point range? Yeah. So it's 180 tick stop loss. Mm-hmm. 180 tick stop loss. How many? What is that? 90? So that would be 45. So that's $90. So yeah, you can only go. You can go maybe. You could go 3 micros, I guess. $360. Save template. That's the short. Save. Save. Long. All right. What up, Clarity? Jan, I need a calculator. I have to have a calculator. I'm terrible at that. It's too early in the morning. What up, Keith? It's too early in the morning for me. Too early in the morning. All right, let me try to get the stuff pulled up. Okay. We have the new week opening gap down here, obviously, that's unfilled all the way down to 23,938. That could be a thing. Morning, Miss K. How's it going? Just ask Chat GPT to do the calculation. I could, huh? I could. We do have a daily gap up there at 408. So we got kind of gaps on both sides here. We are green for some from some overnight trading there. Take profit up 1,500 on the eval, 466 on the pro. Then I took a trade on the Bulenox. Bulenox funded up $1,000. So morning trading star. iTrade's in the house. All right. Might get stopped out over here on this ES long. We'll see. See if we pop back up one more time. Ugh. It was so close to my take profit too. Pushed up to 98.50. My take profit was 99.75. Rude. Let's look at our overall time frame here, the big time frame. I mean, still in that big candle. Yeah. Kind of tough to say. Gaps on both sides. Still feels like we're bullish, but could certainly pull back here. Could certainly pull back. He said I'm early. Did he? Oh no, I'm early. Well, it is before the market opens, but it's fine. Chop, chop, chop. We'll see what happens. You're shorting at least the 200. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I mean, I don't hate a short. We don't hate it. Mancini says we're back at 65.92. Remains a deep chop zone per newsletter. It's key support overnight. We held trapped it. It rallied. Bulls need to push fast now and ultimately recover 23 to progress. 65.88, then 64 below. We just tapped 88. I'll probably get out of this right before open. I don't want to be holding it into open. Let's see if this thing can just squeeze up here. I'm going to move my take profits down a little bit here. Morning, Tony. Open might rescue it or wreck it, right? It might wreck it, it might open it, it might rescue it or wreck it. Those are the options. Let's see what 925 brings. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in. Got the stop in. Well, let's get this thing pointed, put over here. $9.25 really didn't do anything. Morning, Alexi. How you doing? Yeah, I may just take the $200 loss here. Could close it here for 200 bucks. I'm just going to eat the loss. Wanted to, I mean, it may go without me now, and that's okay. I'm not that concerned with it. Such a huge opening range today, but wow. Of course, it pops as soon as I close it. That's rude. Lassifer in the house. As soon as I closed it, I get a little poppage there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, goodness. Let me double check the copy trader. I want to make sure that one of those accounts, that the Buellanox is not on there, because I don't want to. Okay. I mean, here's the thing. My lean at open, like, could we manipulate higher first and then go lower? Yes. We could really go either way here, and that's the kind of tricky part because we got gaps on both sides. We have gaps on both sides. What up, Ronnie? Good morning. So we really could go either way. I'm just going to place the orders and let it do what it do. Sometimes I mess with it and it doesn't end up the greatest. All right, let's go ahead and place the long up here. Orb short. Sell stop. Let's put it there. Now, I would like for it to stay inside the range until after open. That would obviously be ideal, but oh, come on. We got a minute and a half left till open. What up, week? She thinks it's gonna be a shit day, maybe. 24, 341, 160 points, 24, 195. Let's go. I longed down there at 217. You guys know me. 217, I longed overnight. I left an order sitting down there. That's how I made money. Previous day close, 217. We slapped it. At least it looks like it's going to open up inside the range, at least right now. Which makes our entry easier. And I've been like messing with the stops and stuff on this opening range trade. I'm going to stop doing that. I'm just going to let it do what it do. Thanks, Side Trades. Rubber in the house. Smash the like button. What up, Josh? So, whatever happens on this trade happens. I'm not messing with the stops. I'm just going to let it play out. I do have it to go to auto break even at like 300 ticks because I feel like if it goes 300 ticks, it shouldn't stop. It'll lock in 1R at 300 ticks. So, like I said, it could go either way here. I don't really have a preference. Oh, here we go. Kind of a weak open here. Hanging outside the gap here for a minute. It is a big gap. There's the first full minute still inside there. Adding more to the shorts. It does feel like it wants to go down, but maybe when it starts to dump, it actually dumps pretty quick. Maybe, I don't know. Could go either way. I don't really know. All right, I'm tagged in the long. Tagged in on the long. It's not a good reaction there. Get up there. Rip it up there. Let's see if it can go. We are currently 3 minutes into the market open. It still hasn't went, so not a great sign, to be honest, for the opening range play here. ES is pushing. It reclaimed the 92 there, pushing back up to 98. See if we can get through there. Not a good sign there for the long. Kind of losing that 90 there. Needs to squeeze back up. Hey, Michael Wild, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Thinking about closing this, guys. I really am. Thinking about closing it because we're like 5 minutes into the market here and it hasn't went yet. I'm going to move the stop to break even here. I just don't like how long it's taken to go. It could just go without us, but that's fine if it stops us out. That's fine. I'm just taking it off there. I don't like how slow it is. You know, the opening range play is supposed to be quick. Supposed to be quick. And that is not quick. That is not quick. I got a feeling it's going down here. I'm thinking about taking a short. So news at 9:45 and 10. Kind of feel like we're going down. Although ES is not cooperating. Not cooperating. I'm going to take this. I'm going to look for this run down here. I don't know. I just feel like we're going down. So would have been stopped out on the opening range. Really want to see this accelerate here. Oh, come on. I'm going to drop the stop. I want to see acceleration lower here. ES, of course, holding up there at the 92. Just not getting it. I'm trying to go for the bigger move there. I might should just be going for just the normal 25 points. That might be the play. I mean, we still have the obvious draw lower, in my opinion. Morning, Rob. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna still go for it. I think I would have hit 25 points on that first one. Here's 25 points on this one. So I would have been stopped out in the opening range. So that was a good close, even though it did break the rules. If we lose that 92 on ES, we really get that dump going, but that's the question. Stan, what up? 24,193 could be the target. I like that. That's what I'm doing. Good morning, Jay Styles. Rob. I think that's a good target. I mean, we still have a gap fill down here, guys. I mean, new week opening gap is way down there at 23,938. Still way down there. I kind of wanted to target. I wish I had more than one micro here, but that's okay. If you're playing the momentum play, it doesn't go fast and get the fuck out. Yeah. I mean, that's like one of those things, right, Jamie? It's just like intuition. You know, like that play's supposed to go fast. It's supposed to get you in and just go. And if it doesn't, alarm bells have got to be going off. And so that's why I was like, I told you guys I wasn't going to move the stop, but at the same time, I'm not going to be stupid about it either, you know? I give it every opportunity to go. Actually, when I saw $100 and it stalled, I was like, almost took it at 100. Come on, man. There we go. Like I said, I think this thing could go much, much lower. I really do. I think this thing could rip lower. All right, we've got $100 back there, down $88. Let's go, Neo. Oh, Jamie. Good, good. Thank you. What up, Punisher? Good morning. So yes, still not taking the low here. New week opening gap on the ES is 65.10. So it's a ways down there as well. Now, could we get something like this, guys? Like half gap? We could. Let's kind of measure here. You could maybe look for a long somewhere in that half gap area. That's kind of a play that we get a lot of times, right? 30, 40, 50 points off the half gap. Maybe 24.77 back up to like 24.125, something like that. All done trading for the day? You should be, right? Futures trader, what up? 150 points, 5 micro. Let's go. Nice job. I mean, you could get a long out of this level too, but it's not, I don't know, man. I would like it to be a little lower. There is a 1 minute here. 30-second and a 1 minute potentially. Let me see what the 1 minute looks like. I think it's small. It's a double leg. Ooh, 30-second did not close above there. I think we still push lower. I'm going to make sure I'm staying on my. I think we still got more room lower. One more leg. Maybe try a little long down through here. We'll see. What are those short colored horizontal lines? New indicator I'm using. So it's like it's not a new indicator. This is just the opening range play. So it's telling you I guess R off these. I'm guessing that's what it is. I really don't know. I would imagine that's 1R, or so that's the full 2R. The 1R of the entire range is that top one. That second one is half 1R, and that's half R, I guess. So half 1 and 2. Those weren't there before. I didn't do anything to add those. Quantower did an update, and they must have added those. That's these here. I don't really care for those, to be honest. So yeah, okay, so there it is. 25%, 50%, 100%. There we go. That's what it is. Oh. I think I just fucked that up. There we go. There we go. But yeah, it did push back up right there, retest the opening range. Pre-orb. Yeah, news at 9:45 and 10. What a Ponzi. Looky out below. Friday, picture day. So yeah, I think you could short here if you wanted to. If ES holds below 92, that's kind of the idea, right? Nothing happened, yeah. Mancini says 77, then 64 is below. We hit the 77. We did not hit 64. Did we run the low? We didn't run the low. I don't think it's a horrible spot to kind of short here. Oh, I got what you meant, Clarity. We'll see what happens here at the 90. If we get back above 92, I think we might squeeze a little bit here. If it rejects here, I think it could be a decent short spot. Let's see what I want to do. Thinking about I'm going to probably stab. I might stab short here on the ES with a very short stop because if it pops 92, you just be out. So I'm going to stab short here on ES just off the rejection of the 92. Look for 5 or 6 points here, whatever it is. Little 1-for-1 action. Just throw your stop right there. It doesn't even have to be very, it's not a very big stop. Kind of back below this 85, we'll throw stop to break even. Again, if it pops and stops us out, that's okay. We just know that it's probably going up. I think you can go stop to break even back below 85 here pretty quick. Like right now. Should just run now if it's going to go. All right, risk off. Bink. Bink. A little binker. Back into green now, $200. Let's go. A lot of people long 370 breakout. Yeah. I might have would have normally done that too, to be honest. I just think we got one more leg. One more leg lower. Just playing off that little support resistance there on the ES. I mean, kind of easy. Easy little bit of a read. I will look for a little bounce long, maybe down there at the 24,090 area. We might start scaling into a bit of a long, but let's see. Let's see. Again, we got a gap. Still got that gap down there lower. See if we get a little SMT here at the lows or something. It will give us an idea that maybe we're going to push back up. So far, nothing. Still got 10 a.m. news ahead of us. Sweeping the 140 here potentially. Let's see if ES gets back below the 75. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, we're going to fire up a giveaway here in a moment. Actually, I'm going to wait to do the giveaway. We're just going to do a shotgun at the end of the stream on the giveaway. $10 until the real rug pull. What's in 10 minutes? Boom, boom, boom. You're short 24, 175. 175. I mean, I like it. I like the gap fill down here. I think we probably do fill that weekly gap. Got the new week opening gap down there. It's another 100 plus points lower. So here's your 15-minute breakdown. 23,938 gap sitting down there. Excuse me. Yeah, and I think it's okay to look for a bounce play, but you're not, it's not really going to be a situation where you're going to get like a ton of points. Yes, double bottom. Nasdaq did sweep the low. Market is moving fairly slow today. ATR is 53, but it just feels like it's not really moving all that fast. But ATR still is decent. Still's decent there. We do have an SMT here. Let me give it a try. We might give it a try. Yes, pushing back up here, 84 area. Again, Mancini does talk about this being a huge chop zone. And, you know, I'm thinking about a long here potentially. I don't think it's going to happen, though. We'll see. You got a clear break-even spot, 228. Zero momentum here right now. So it's not doing anything. My longer breaks the low low. The low low. What up, Money Viddy? Guys, we're going to do the giveaway in a shotgun fashion before the end of the stream. So hang around. We're just going to shotgun it at the end of the stream. Yesterday we had to draw like 3 times. I don't like doing that, so we'll shotgun it. No breakfast for me this morning, guys. I did not wake up on time. You guys ever done that? Where you just don't wake up on time? Rude. Rude. We do got 10 a.m. news, so probably wait here, see what happens at that. I don't think it's a big news. It's not very big news, I don't think. Decent reaction here. Kind of a higher low going on there. Got 4 minutes till the top of the hour. What is the My Fund of Futures Town Hall about? It is specifically about the direction of the prop firm and that sort of thing. New things that are coming, direction of the prop firm. I could read you the official statement. I mean, we're hosting a live community town hall tomorrow. It's a great chance for you to hear directly from the team about what's happening at My Funded Futures. Matt Leach will be joining to share key updates and what we're working on and where things are headed. Monday, 10 a.m. Eastern. If you're actively... Okay, yep. That's it. I did forget about that. Let me actually pull that up. Morning, Raul. Alexi, I'm going to listen. Markets have been heavily manipulated during this fight with Iran. You've never witnessed the markets so manipulated. It's eerie. Even oil is forced to stay on 100 a barrel. Yeah. Morning, Raul. Oof. God dang it. This thing's popping. It's almost hitting the break even already. 1 minute might be invalid here. I was going to take the 1 minute. I think I didn't buy it. Look at that rejection. I'm gonna stab it. Just give it a little short chance. Might take. I'm gonna hold this for a moment. What up, Alfred? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for, Trev. We'll see if this can push through there. If not, I will protect myself pretty quickly here because we do have news coming up. 210, 215, I'm going to go break even, which will be early. Right there. I'm stopped out. It's going to probably go. But we have news. I wanted it to just continue, and it just decided not to. I do think it goes ultimately. I still want to hold it. Opening today was a bit more active than yesterday. That's true. Good morning. I think it's probably going to go. Well, we are at this big resistance area on ES as well. Do have some news coming up as well, so we want to just be careful. Would have been a nice trade there, but I don't know. I just want to hold it into news. Squeezy, squeezy. We didn't get close above here. I may jump back in. I may jump in anyway. Checking off that 50 MA for now. I'm considering a long here on ES. I kind of want to see acceptance of this level though. Not just taking a single candle close above there. I want to see a 2 or 3 candles close above, and then I'm going to take it. Nope. Pulling back off there already. A lot of times I'll take that first close above, but just trying to wait. Be a little more patient. Yeah, for sure, Trev. All right, I'm going to take a quick stab on the ES here. I'm going to target 604.25. Actually, let's go 604.75. I'm going to go stop to break even at 600. I'm going to go stop to break even at 600. I expect a pop kind of above that 600 level. Maybe straight into that next resistance. See if we can't get the squeeze going here. All right, I'm going to go stop to break even here. I'm up 5-6 points, actually. So stop to break even. Let's see if this thing can run. Oh, come on. Get through there, bro. Eh. I'm actually going to give this some room. Hold on. I'm going to give it some room. Well, maybe we should have just taken our 4 points there, 5 points. All right, out there on the ad. I'm going to go break even. I think ultimately goes, but I think it's going to go. I think I can. I think I can. But tweet something. All right, we'll take it there. We're up $358. I mean, nothing crazy, but I do think it ultimately goes. There it goes. Rude. And target coming into play here. I want to break even there too quick. I don't know. I still may long over here. I do still feel like this goes up, so I will scale into this. Let's see. Back in that pre-orb. I'll check it, Trading Star. Again, guys, we'll do the giveaway here in about 20, 30 minutes. Let's see if this can go. I'm gonna look for a little more here, I think, on this ad. I'll probably go stop to break even if we hit that first target. We'll see kind of what happens. Oh, 25K rapid is coming, guys, from my funded futures. I'm listening to the town hall. What up, design? Jube in the sub market makers. Yeah. $87 for the 25K rapid. Yes, $87 with a potential discount price. See kind of what he says about the drawdown here. Take 5 for 80 piece easy flips. Yeah. I don't know what they'll be weeks. They didn't say yet. I'm over here cracking my voice. Oh, I don't like this reaction here. I want to see this thing go. The sound of the inside. Bah. No, it was that was pine tree. That might end up being a bad ad there. Hopefully not. I thought it was going to go. Giving back all of our profits here, basically. Yes, it's back to that 92 area. Can it go? If ES doesn't hold this level and push us, then I'm going to get out. This is my line in the sand. Get back above this 217 here. I do like the potential for it to squeeze. Yeah, happy kids. That's insane, isn't it? Can it get going here through the Spirit Stay close? Next run through these EMAs, maybe we can go. Got that 50 EMA sitting up there at the 250 area, so I'm probably going to have to kill this. All right, I'm going to kill it. Break even on the day after that. Just didn't want to go. It still might go, but I'm not willing to kind of hold that into oblivion. Sometimes you just got to cut your losses. All right. Not much I can do there, guys. Not much I can do. I just had to eat my loss. Let's see here. Yeah, still holding that 65.92, guys. Still holding it. It's just not, I don't know. Trying to squeeze up here. I am listening to this town hall thing with my Infinite Futures guys. Gonna launch a new product next week. ES is squeezing back up here. Let's see if it wants to retest that 605. Looks like it wants to go, but it's just not quite getting there yet. It's trying. They're going to launch a new account. They didn't really say what it is yet. Timbo, it's been tough. It's been tough. ES back above 600. Man, I feel like we're about to squeeze. It just feels that way, but I don't know. You've been struggling? Yeah. Kind of all. It's been difficult. It's been difficult. I mean, if you're not, like, if you're not willing to display some patience, it's definitely been tough. So they're announcing that they're becoming a brokerage officially. Been very, very tough price action. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little distracted. I'm listening over here and listening over here on this town hall, just trying to pay attention. It's definitely very slow. I may sign up for a brokerage account. Throw me $500 in there, maybe $1,000, and try to see what we can do with it. We'll see. Maybe. Man, that 92 level there on the ES, I'm telling you what, man. The dreaded patience factor, yeah. That 92 area, look at that crap. Look at that 92 level just paying over and over and over. I mean, it's paying 5, 6 points every single time. You're getting chopped up again. Yeah, I kind of am too, but I mean, you could just be buying this 92 level over and over and over. It's crazy. Leads me to believe that we're going to break out to the upside eventually, or either it's going to lose it, we're going to dump hard. But for the most part, it's holding for now. Anybody trade gold last night? Gold was a little bit of volatile. Had a little volatility. It did lose. One trade lost last night, unfortunately. It lost on. I think it was this trade here. Yeah, this one here was the one that got me. So I took two winners. I took winners here, winners here. Was this one? Yeah. So I took a winner here. No, this was the loser. This level was the loser. So that's where I took the loss at right there. You see it just popped through there and stopped me out. So it went 15 points down, stopped me out, and then bounced back up. So that was the loser. This level was the winner. So you see that candle there pulled back, tagged you in. One winner, and then this winner here. Two winners followed by a loser. And then these won. This one won. This one I did not take. It was after that was not after the time frame, but I still didn't take it. So yeah, gold had some volatility last night. It's kind of I don't want to say it was odd because it's not odd, but a little more difficult. Range bound, yeah. 92 just paid again. As soon as I buy it though, you know it won't. As soon as I buy it, it won't. Look at this thing squeezing. Wow. What is that? Do I just jump in here? That's a good candle. It's a really good candle. I'm going to jump in. We're going to stab. Kind of got in too heavy too soon on that last long. Hell, it's probably the same spot I bought last time, to be honest. And she might have trapped me. Did it trap me? Well, I never claimed to be a smart man. See if we get a squeeze going. Yeah, we're definitely in a bit of a chop. I don't know if I want to add down here. What up, Dave? Took a trade 15-second orb in New York open and got win and closed PC. Let's go. Nice job. Yes, it's definitely seems stronger. Squeeze it. Just glued to the previous day close here too, 217. Chopping towards the overall trend, stay bearish. Maybe. Could be. I longed right into the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. That's stupid. I don't know why I did that. Don't know why I did that. I wasn't even looking at the 5-minute. Staring me right in the face over there. I wasn't even looking at it. See if this one can get through there. Think you will chop for a few days. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. $10. How hard could it be? How hard could it be? Can this thing just go? I don't know, man. It's just not doing it. Pretty boring day on the charts, guys, to be honest. Sometimes it's not a bad thing, though. Get your ass up there. The 25K for $87. Make sure you use code MM for that. In a buy. Here comes a quick short scalp. It might. Kind of already played out off this level, though. Yeah, sad. Thank you. The reason I don't trade it anymore is because it's difficult to be able to. Two reasons. Number one, I'm taking the pre-orb, right, which has a full 2R, and I like both. I mean, I like the 15-second. That's why I was trading it, right? But I was just having a difficulty with the copy trader, the speed, because you cannot trade that 15-second orb on Ninja. So I was having difficulty with the copy trader, and like I said, if I had a bot that would take it, I would dedicate an account to it, but I just don't. So it's not that I didn't like the trade and I don't think it's profitable. It's just that, difficult for me to capture it. Can't do both, I guess is what I'm saying. I have a feeling this thing's about to just dump on us, but I might do a little degen action here to try to get out of this trade and just kill it. This could be a bad idea. As soon as we see some green, I think we just kill it. No! Bounce this thing back through the 210s. Oh, come on. Get it out of here. All right, we're out of it. We got out of it, guys. We got out of it. Oh, it's spiking up. A little DCA action, you know, turn your head. I do think this thing's going down. It looks like it now. That's why I just wanted to get out of it. I don't know. I didn't have to. I could have just taken the loss, I'm sure. Same thing. Probably less risky to just take the loss. We're going to be doing a giveaway here, guys, in about 10 minutes. We'll fire up a giveaway for you. Oh, there's the squeeze. There's the squeeze. Let's see if this thing pushes maybe back. I mean, yeah, looks like maybe 240 it might retest. ES is up to 6606 there. Starting to squeeze it. Got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle here. Nice little move there. Not enough likes. What do we got? 44 likes. Yeah. Oh, happy kids. I mean, I could have held it there. I don't know. It did test that trend line. ES didn't get quite down there to where I was like wanting it to. You know what's going to happen? It's just going to squeeze from here, maybe 50 or 66.22 there on the ES potentially. All right, let me get back to my music. The town hall has ended. All right, guys, got a couple of questions for you. So we're going to be doing I'm going to be doing a trading challenge with Husk. A trading challenge with Husk. We're going to start with a 25K account from My Funded Futures. And here are the rules. So we both start with an account. Whoever can get to pay out first wins. That's what we're going to do. Going to allow each other one reset. We cannot be in the same position at the same time, which means that if I enter a long, he cannot enter a long until I'm out of my position. If he enters a short, I cannot enter short until he's out of his position. We're going to do this live on My Funded TV. What should the punishment be for the loser? Drop your suggestions in the comments right quick. let me know, what do you guys think the punishment should be? Pretty simple, pretty simple. Let's go, Coper. Nice job. Hey, profit's profit. Something related to shaving. Yeah, we could shave the beard, I guess. So, shave the beard. Can't do that. Shave the beard. I mean, the beard will grow back. That is something simple. Now, Husk did shave his down to a goatee. I don't know if you guys saw that. Get a Coke can lower back tattoo. Oh, Jim, I'm probably pushing it a little too much right there. I don't know about that. Remove the cap. Yeah, that's simple enough, I guess. I mean, Husk and I both have hair. We just don't. We just wear hats. Well, it's not really that big a deal. Neither of us are bald. Yeah, I saw that, Coper. I mean, $12 is $12. Hey. 265 in commissions does kind of suck, but $12 is $12. Better than being red. 265, you know. There are a couple of videos out there. I live stream a couple times with no hat on before. I just keep my hat. I keep my hair very short. No, I don't have a bald patch room. Neither does Husk. Hair, we full head of hair is in our family, so you know. Do we have anybody bald? I'm trying to think. I don't even know if we have anybody that's bald in our family. I don't think we do. No, I don't think we really do. I've heard wear a dress on stream, go shirtless on stream, drink Tom Sabo's bathwater. That'd probably be the best one. Drink Tom Sabo's bathwater. Ew. Wax the chest hair. I don't have very much, so whatever you guys are suggesting, Husk is going to be the one doing it. We already know that. We're going to smash him. We're going to smash him. We got to smash the Husk. The only thing is, Husk does trade a little larger than I do. Never thought I'd say that. But especially only 25K, I'm going to stick to 1 micro. He's been going in 2 to 3 micros on some of his trades. So, who was trading demo a few years ago, and it's a big streamer. He said he caught them. A lot of people have been playing demo or trading demo. Wow, what is this? We get some sort of news? Did we get a tweet? Loser gives away 10 50K accounts. Yeah, I guess that would require the loser to have 10 giveaways. I don't know, or pay for them. Trading Dimbo. I can't remember who that was, Room. I know Pine Tree told me. I don't remember though. Who was that? I don't remember. I have to go back through our messages and see. Demo. I mean, everybody knows Patrick was. I don't know. I can't remember who it might have been. Tris, this is very chipey. That's why we're getting into what the loser of the competition might have to do. Oh, it's a hot topic. Who was it? Let me look. I can't remember. I mean, I know him and I have talked about that. Let me see. Did we talk? I know we talked about that, but man, that's been so long ago. I don't remember. Let me see. Hold on. Let me go back through my DMs. My text messages. That must be I'm reading some of our messages. Oh, it's a setup. Don't. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Tony. I think it's Patrick. I mean, Patrick. He's admitted to using a demo account. He got called a couple of times. He came out and said a few years ago, he's like, "Why would I trade my own money when I can just trade demo?" So I don't know who it is. Yeah, I don't know who he was talking about. I can't remember. Let me ask him. Let me just ask him. I know we talked about it, but I'm drawing a blank. I can't remember who it was. Woo! Look at that trap, guys. Look at that trap. Do I take the short here? I do like the short. You couldn't sleep room? Yeah, Coper, they are. You think it was about Danny Trades? No, I don't think it wasn't Danny Trades. Like whoever it is will ring a bell when I hear it. I just can't. I don't remember. Who was it? I know we had that conversation, but I can't remember. Yeah, Coper. I think it's one of those ones where you got to size and just trust it. But we'll see. It could just trap again, trap shorts again, and bounce again. Find out in DM you. I'll just find out and say who it is now. I don't care unless it's somebody I can't say. Wow. Wow. Woof. Woof. What was that? Oh my goodness. My charts just froze. Trump tweet? Trump tweet there? Anybody know? Wow. That was you? One of the big streamers was in 2022 as affiliate. Jim just tweeted. He tweeted. Jim just shot out a tweet. I don't know who it is. 2022. I mean, it has to be Patrick. Who else would it be? Patrick? I don't know. I can't remember. Did it trap anybody long there? Iran doesn't know about it yet. 2022 big streamer. I don't remember who it is. don't remember. We just smashed along right there, guys. I didn't do it in front of you guys because, you know, but I just absolutely smashed that long. Holy cow. I smashed that for about $1,000. We just smashed it. Oh, that sucks, Coper. I don't know who it was. I don't know who he's talking about. He just got paid. Let's go. Let's move 4x2. Who was it? Pine's not answering me. He must be watching the stream. And he's like, I'm going to tell him after the stream. I know he told me. I just can't remember who it was. Let me look at my other messages. Let me look at my Discord messages with him. I won't tell, I promise. Listen, there's been information we've shared back and forth that you can't really say anything about, you know, over time. Let's see. Oh, I'm reading through some of our messages. Kind of funny. Oh, goodness. All right. Good morning, later dude. I don't know what happened. Interview with TG Capital. I mean, it looks like we're going to fill the gap up here. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? Oh, nice. Lost Finny. Let's go. Are we ready for the giveaway? Ugh. All right, first let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. We're going to go. There you go. Little poll there. Make your decision. And as far as the size and the type of the accounts, I don't really know what it'll be. It'll be one of the accounts, that's all. So I'll have to look. Guys, remember Lucid is still 50% off, and it's also buy 3 pro accounts and get 1 reset for free. Use code MM. looks like I have hmm. Where's my coupon? It'll probably be a. We'll probably go with the 25K flex on Lucid. That's probably what it'll be. One for all of us. Yes, yes. No, no, no. So. Look at that. Just drop right back down, guys. That is crazy. What was that? 100-point move up, 120 points, and then 120 points right back down. Be careful, guys. Be careful here. I don't know, Cooper. This is crazy. War's back. Oh, war's back. War's off. War's back. Long, short, long, long, short, long, dick, long. This, that, the other. Oh man. All right, we just slapped it again. We slapped it again. Bam. I don't even know how much can you even make on the rapid account in a day? Is it just 50%? I don't even know what we can make. You can't trade your data's delayed. Yeah. You're gonna trade coffee beans. Are you not entertained? That's crazy. I can't show you guys that degeneracy stuff. I can't show you guys that. All right, looks like it's gonna be a Lucid account. Lucid it is. Let's get this set up. We're gonna go 2 minutes. Oh, rapid. No, this is a eval though, Alexi. Rapid eval. I think I can only make 50%. I may have to lose a few bucks. $50%, so I'm gonna have to lose a few dollars. $72. What is that about? We'll go 10 ticks. $15.0234. That's pretty close. All right, guys, and go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes. I need another account to trade now. Do we go with a 25K rapid? Maybe. Let me pull this down here for you guys. Okay. In 1 minute, 10 seconds. Let's go with a 25K rapid. Why not? $25K rapid. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys. We're giving away a Lucid Flex 25K. $30 seconds. Two seconds. 1 second, and the winner is Trading for SL 555555555. Trading for SL, are you here? Rigged. 100% rigged. Rigged. Trading for SL is on fire. On fire. Send me. Oh, you're trading for crack monies? Send me an email trading for SL, methodicalman@gmail.com. And I'll get you the code over for that account. It'll just be a code used at checkout. Very slow day in the market. Today's range is pretty tight as well, right? What are we in? 209 points. That's a pretty small or tight range. Yeah, I did trading for stop loss. I saw that. I did see that. But send me another one. That way I can get it over to you. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, I bought a 25K Rapid. I guess that's what we'll trade on stream. Anybody else going to be trying out the 25K Rapid? We'll give it a go. Sorry, guys, my connection disconnected. Because I hit the disconnect button. Oops. Oops. Well, where's the connection? Sure is taking a minute to reconnect. There it is. There it is. Switch over to this one. I don't know how much drawdown you get on this. Let me see. The thing is, it's 1,000. So you got to make $2,000 profit target and $1,000 drawdown. Didn't quite know that, but I guess it's fine. Tight margins. I have no idea later do. Military options to counter Iran's escalation. Okay. Is that right? Because weeks look, it shows this. It shows target 27,000. So that looks like 2,000 to me, and then it says drawdown is only a 1,000. On the flex, it's 1,500 with 1,000. So, I don't know. We'll give it a go. If we don't pass this one, then, you know, it'll be good. Oh, you're looking on the page. Okay, I got you. I wonder why it shows different on here. That's weird. I wonder why it shows different. Can't be confusing me like that, bro. Trading shit show the last few weeks, yeah. For sure. It's been tough. Ugh. It's been tough for me too. I've hit a couple of payouts, but been tough. Is it intraday? Is this intraday on the 1K? I mean, it didn't really affect me all that much because I do use I do use a micro. So it's not like I'm going to lose much on an intraday trade. You know what I'm going to do, Weeks? Today I'm going to trade it normal. But you know what I'm going to do tomorrow? Opening range trade, max minis, whatever it is, 1 or 2, 10 points. I'll do that tomorrow. Oh, it's end of day and eval, intraday and funded. Got you. But once you get over a certain level, right? Intraday stops, does it not? Guys, I didn't gain any weight while on vacation in Vegas. I did have one day where I ate over my calories. The other days I did eat the calories that I'm supposed to, at least at maintenance. But yeah, we weighed the exact same when we got back as we did when we left. So a win is a win. A win is a win. I'm locked in. I'm telling you guys, I'm locked in. Sometimes a draw is a win. Yeah. The goal is just not to gain weight. We did walk a lot. I mean, there's a lot of walking in Vegas. I'm not really doing keto. I'm just still eating what I want. I'm just watching the calories. Trying to keep the calories on my high days below 1,800. You know, my low days somewhere around 14, 1,500. No, I didn't, Jim. I should have. I should have. Max is sleeping today. What's eaten in Vegas stays in Vegas. Got to be careful with those concepts. It's not always true. It's not always true. All right, let's start a little poll here. Ugh. I know I shouldn't do this poll here, but because you guys are just going to troll me, let's just see what you guys are feeling. Let's see what you guys are thinking. I fully expect you guys to vote for Husk. I fully expect it. Yeah, Clarity, I'm on there 11:30. 11:30. D5P1. FLC. Husk is going down. No, it's not today. Husk is the better trader. He is. He is. I know. It's not today. We're going to start on Monday. We're going to start on Monday. Let's see what we got. 58-42. You voted for Husk? Of course, Clarity. I know. Maybe Husk might beat me. I don't know. He might beat me. May the odds forever be in my favor. Husk who? Exactly. Exactly. Who is that guy? It's pretty close. 57-43. Guys, it feels like we're going up now. I mean, it really does. Even to shoot you a free account. He doesn't get those yet. He doesn't get those yet. Holy cow. Look at this thing go. Mo, we're having a competition on My Funded TV. Trading competition. We're going to start with 25K account each. And whoever gets to pay out first wins. Looks like we're going to run this pretty quickly, so I'm going to slap it. Actually, I might slap it over here too. I don't know if I got time. God dang it, my mouse froze. Want it. Let's go. That's a nice first trade on that 25K account there. Let's go, Lucky Mon. Rooting for me. That's right. Yeah, we're only trading on My Funded TV stream. Yeah, I need to. Well, I got new batteries, Rob. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It'll like just freeze up for a second or two. But yeah, we're only going to be trading on stream. Whoever's in a direction first. So like if I'm in a long, he can't enter a long until I exit my long. So whoever enters the trade first, it can be the only person in the trade. That's what's going to make it interesting because like a lot of times we're looking for the same direction, but I usually am in a little earlier than him, but I also scalp. He goes for a little bigger trades and he's also in a little later. So it'll be kind of an interesting dynamic to see. Be kind of interesting to see. I think so, weeks. I think that would make sense, right? So if you get a little full port action. Why is Rips doing YouTube ads? Isn't he making millions trading? Theoretically. I don't know, guys. Yeah, I mean, like a big streamer like Patrick is probably making 100K a year from ads if he runs them. I don't even think Patrick does. Maybe beginning of the stream, end of the stream, something like that. But yeah, you don't make hardly anything from the ads. I mean, like me, I think I make maybe $300 a month, something like that. And I don't even run ads on my YouTube channel during the stream. You get them at the beginning, and you should get them at the exit, but not in the middle. In the event of a tie, yeah, I don't think there'll be a tie though. Josh, I don't know anything about the pay, and I don't know anything about the positions. I do know they are looking for potential host, maybe, and some other positions as well. So I bet as far as the pay goes, that's one of those things where it's individual based, right? Like each person makes something different, so it'd be difficult to say that. Difficult to say that. But I would say that their pay is typically pretty fair. Pretty fair. Weeks is going to host. Let's go. Oh, he has an ad. Oh. If that means he paid for an ad, so he's not actually making money off that. He's advertising something probably. Either his, I don't know if he has a course, but something. He's selling something. All right, let's end the poll. It's a squeaker. It's a nail biter. I'm up 58-42. I mean, that's 2 to 3, guys. It's not very good odds. 2 to 3, that 2 spot can win a lot in poker, right? 60-40, you can lose 40% of the times. 4 out of 10, you lose. So, I mean, it's a good edge. It's a good edge, but it's not as good of an edge as I thought it might be. Oh, no. All right, guys, I'm going to be heading over to My Fun and Futures here in less than 10 minutes. Join me over there. Pine did not tell me. He probably lurking in the background. I'll call him after the stream and I'll message you. But there's the link to My Funded TV, guys. Join me over there in 8 minutes. Appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you over on My Funded TV. Now remember, if you want to help support the channel, use coupon code MM on all the prop firms except for Apex and E8 Markets. The code is MYTH. And then Futures Desk, the code is MMM. Everything else, it's code MM. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.